and welcome back to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the vegan Bossa. Today we are gonna be making the creamiest mushroom pasta ever. It is quick and easy, fully packed with flavors. It's simply delicious and you will be amazed how quick you can make it. In 15 to 20 minutes it will be ready on your plate. So guys, have a look at the recipe.
For today's recipe, I'm gonna use 200 grams of linguine pasta, which are 2 abundant portions. Then 1 or 2 garlic cloves, 150 grams of mushrooms, 1 small white onion, 1 tablespoon of crystal salt, a pinch of thyme, some fine sea salt, a pinch of black pepper, some nutritional yeast for everyone who likes the cheesy flavor of the pasta, 100 ml of soy or oat cream, and some fresh chives. First, I'm gonna start cleaning the mushrooms. I'm gonna use here cremini mushrooms because they have a very intense earthy flavor. Clean the mushrooms using damp cloths like I do in here. Important is don't clean them in running water because this will cause loss of flavor and they will become like mushy when we saute them. After cleaning the mushrooms, slice them, and the slices should be thick, not too thin, because mushrooms shrink down as they cook. After slicing them all, leave them aside and clean and chop the onion. I'm gonna chop the onion as finely as I can. Then prepare the garlic cloves. Take 1 or 2 garlic cloves, depends on how intense you want the garlic flavor. Then take a bunch of chives and finally chop them. Chive is optional and we will use only for decorating the dish at the end. Meanwhile, take a pan and pour some olive oil and the garlic cloves. Let the garlic cloves cook until golden and then take it out. I'm gonna take it out because I don't want too intense flavor of garlic. Then we are gonna add the onions. Saute the onions for 5 minutes in medium flame until they become like translucent, transparent, and then add the mushrooms. Add the flavors, some sea salt, some thyme, and some black pepper. Give it a stir and saute the mushrooms over medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. At last, we are gonna add the soy cream or oat cream, whatever you like the most. We are gonna give it a good stir and let it simmer further for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of water to boil, then add the crystal sea salt, and when the water is boiling, add the pasta. Cook the pasta, stirring occasionally until very al dente, about 2 minutes less than the package instructions. And then when the pasta is ready, drain it and add it to the sauce. A little trick is to add a splash of the water of the pasta where the pasta has boiled to the sauce. Doing so, the sauce will become juicy and really delicious. And at the end, we are gonna add some nutritional yeast. This is optional for everyone who likes the cheesy flavor on the pasta. You can use the nutritional yeast, which really has a strong cheesy flavor. Finally, we are gonna put our pasta in a plate and we are gonna garnish it with some fresh chives for a more intense flavor. And enjoy it.
hope you really enjoyed this simple and easy pasta recipe, and if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.